Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. Hopefully, you've had a great week and a great weekend. It's been a great week because we launched a new season. September is here, which means our fall season's here, which we've got lots of new seasonings to try. So, one of them is the Marry Me chicken, and I'm going to go ahead and get started on that. So, I'm using our saute pan, which, by the way, is on sale. And so is actually our nesting bowls. They are also on sale. So I got a bunch of chicken. I'm actually going to cook it not in oil, but in broth. So I'm using our chicken broth and then a bunch of water. Just get that going. Oops. I'm making a mess again. So there we go. All right. So the heat is on. The chicken is going in. And oops. Hi, Julie. I'll be making the Marry Me chicken. So basically, you heat up your chicken. And you can put some seasonings in there while you're doing that. It goes for half and half, but I'm just going to use almond milk and some water, and then put the rest of your seasonings in, and away you go. So that's kind of that one. So that one I'm getting started on first. The next one I'm going to be doing is the broccoli soup, cheddar soup, using our multi-purpose pots, which aren't available anymore, but that is what happens when, oh my gosh, I have the morning. I'm having a morning. All right. Okay. Broccoli cheddar soup. In your pot, you need to mix the seasonings with 2 cups of milk and 1.5 cups of water. So let's do that. All right. Water. And the milk. Okay. And then the seasonings. So all of our soups are back. Tomato soup, the chicken. I don't know what's with me this morning. Sorry. We call it homestyle chicken stew. That's the word I was looking for. All right, so seasoning, milk, and water. Mix that up. And then I'm going to cook only the stock pieces first. Get them all softened up. Probably use the immersion blender. And then once that's done, I will add in the broccoli, the florets, so we can have little chunky pieces in there as well. All right. Put that on to medium. Throw in the broccoli pieces. All right. So that's that piece. Get that out of the way. All right. So what's everybody else doing for Sunday meal prep? Are you making anything particular? Having some fun with it? So I got pancakes still in the fridge. We got the cookies that I made on, I think, Friday. I think it was Friday. We still have some. We've been trying not to eat them all. But this is the cranberry white chocolate ones. We put them in the fridge so that we try not to eat them as much. And then, of course, my salted caramel protein pancakes. So breakfast, snackies, or dessert are there. Marry Me chicken is for tonight and tomorrow night. The broccoli will be for some lunches. And that's just to get us started. I will be away at a retreat, Carla's retreat, for the weekend. So I'll be gone from Thursday until Sunday. So Vic will have to fend for himself. We'll see how he does. And yeah, so I won't be making a lot this week for that particular purpose. I will see what he wants later in the week. All right, so let's stir up the sauce. So this is Marry Me chicken sauce, and it needed 1 cup. While the chicken is going, mix this up with the milk. The water I've already got in there, so I don't really need to add too much water. And then I have spinach that was frozen, and I just threw in the food processor. So there we go. To blend it all up, so it'll just become part of the sauce. That's pretty much it. I'm not going to do too much today. Keep it super simple. All right, so let's toss in the sauce. Ow! There we go. And I'll just give it another couple more minutes, and then I'll put in the spinach. And how is that coming along? Looks good. Yeah. So the cheddar, broccoli cheddar, you put in the cheddar like later on, like you can put it in when you're going to eat it at the time. That's my suggestion, not to put it in while it's cooking or anything like that. If you put it in at all, lactose free, whatever, doesn't matter. As you can see, you can make it with non-dairy milk, no problem. But I would sprinkle it on when you're going to eat it. That's that one. And then the Marry Me chicken, you can turn it into like a sauce that you will put over like salmon or pork chops or anything you might like that way. Get a good saucy. It's meant in essence to go over pasta. Oh, I forgot we're going to do rice. But we're going to have it over some rice that we got. So literally I'll throw the rice into our multi-purpose steamer, throw it into the microwave 10-15 minutes depending on the type of rice you use, and then we'll have that for dinner. So yeah, we have leftovers, we're good. We've got this for the next couple of days. We'll have the soup for lunch, and that'll get us going, and then it'll just be what we need to figure out what to do Tuesday night for dinner, which will probably turn into our Wednesday food. So yeah. All right, so that is looking good. Now I'm going to add in the spinach. You don't have to do spinach either. You could do totally whatever vegetables you like. You could throw in some frozen veg. It's going to be very green. Oh yeah, I forgot. And we are going to have some pig belly later today that we've been marinating since yesterday. So there, look at that. Look how green that is. Looks delicious. Okay, so now I'm just going to put it down medium, let it simmer and cook up the chicken and bring down the sauce a bit. So it's our pig belly that's marinating. We're going to throw into the oven and crisp it up. That way it doesn't, fat everywhere. It's Asian inspired, so sesame, ginger, or teriyaki, and chili flakes. And then the other thing is I got my packages, which is the Epic box that everybody has been getting, which is super awesome. I think 7 of us are getting the box right now, just from me personally, which is awesome. And as a team, there's 21 total, so that's pretty cool. They're getting more and more popular. So it does come with this cool recipe card that's from another Epicure ambassador. We have balsamic vinaigrette, a full bottle, which is amazing. We have one of my favorites, the lemon chicken ozo. We have Marry Me chicken, which is what we're making right now. We have Swedish meatballs, which is awesome. We have beef stroganoff, which has been reformatted. We have the taste test maple balsamic chicken, and I'm going to save that for the 22nd. So September 22nd, I'm having another open house with the new season. For anyone who can come, feel free to reach out to me for an invite or more details. It'll be 1 o'clock like it usually is to like 3 or 4. And we will try out some more of the new flavors, along with the taste test of the maple balsamic chicken. And of course, cookies. Cookies are a must. And then I got another box. And this was all free. I use my credits that I get from being a host. So if you are interested in shopping for free, you can do it as an ambassador too. But there you go. So I ordered what we always get, which is our mac and cheese, which is a must in our house. The pancakes are another must because literally I just had them on Saturday. And then I ordered a full container of our Magic Scoop greens because why not get it for free, right? All right, so how's the chicken doing? Oh, it looks good. All right, and then the broccoli is coming along. Okay, that's it. Just gonna let that go for another 5 minutes or so. I'll get the immersion blender in it, and then I will throw in the florets of the broccoli, and then let that cook for another 5 minutes, and that'll be pretty much good for our lunches. This just is almost done. I'm just gonna let it finish up another 5 minutes as well. That's it, and clean it. So happy Sunday. If you can believe it, it's actually Vic and I's second wedding anniversary today. We've been married 2 years, but 11, 12, whatever now. Been together 11, 12 years. So yeah. Cool, huh? All right. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day. Hit replay if you're watching later. Feel free to ask me any questions about meal prep and planning, or life planning if you need some help with that. Or if you're interested in grabbing anything, hop online. The taste of the season is perfect. It's you get one of everything, so you can just try it. And it's only available until like the 18th. So I would grab that as soon as you can. And also heads up, if you are thinking to kind of help out one of your ambassadors, it's actually double QV for us if you get the taste of the collection, which means we get extra points towards trips and things like that. So yeah, a little extra boost for us, and it doesn't cost you any more if you're interested in that. It's something you can also do as an ambassador. It's pretty cool about that. What else was I going to say? There's something. Oh, and I am putting in a general order today. So if anybody wants anything, feel free to reach out to me. And if you're willing to either come to me or we have an intention to see each other soon, I can totally put in a little order for you if you'd like. Otherwise, hop online and get it shipped directly to you by FedEx.